Hello, I'm John Duncan with Upside Property by way of Excel, and you gotta come check out this beautiful, gorgeous 5-bedroom, 4 full bath home that's located in the award-winning Lexington 1 School District. If space is what you need, this is the right house for you. This home boasts over 4,059 square feet. Oh, by the way, if you like custom, this house is custom throughout. Custom dining room, custom living room, a custom pantry, and the list goes on and on. And if you like the outdoors and like to entertain, step outside where you have a covered porch and a pergola. And if you like to entertain at night, we also have a fire pit for you. Come check out this house. You can only go up from here.